Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Ashten, the face behind Ashten Stitches, and today I wanted to show you how you can make a solid granny square with no gaps. So I've previously showed you how to make a granny square or a solid granny square, but this still has gaps. So this is one way that you can make it, but if you want it to be completely solid, this is the tutorial for you. So let's go ahead and get started. For your materials, you will need some yarn. So I'm using a weight for 100% acrylic, but you can use any yarn that you'd like. A crochet hook. Today I'm using a 5mm, but again, you can use any size that you need. A tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. And let's go ahead and get started. To start off, we're going to make a magic ring. So a magic ring is you take the end of your yarn, wrap it between these two fingers, wrap it around, make an X towards you, flip over. Now you'll have two parallel lines on the top. Take your hook, go underneath the first loop, grab the second loop. You can turn, pull up a loop, and then grab that loop as well as the other parts, and then release. And that is your magic ring. And then you will chain 4. This chain 4 will count as our triple crochet. Then into the magic ring, you will place 3 double crochet. So a double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, which is the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through 2. So that was 1. So do 2 more double crochets into the magic ring. So now you should have your chain 4, which counts as a triple crochet, and then 3 double crochets. Next, we're going to place a triple crochet. So a triple crochet, or in the UK, a treble crochet, is yarn over twice. So there's 1 and 2, and then we'll insert our hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and that's a triple crochet. So you've placed 1 triple crochet, and now go ahead and place 3 double crochet into the magic ring. So you've just done a triple crochet and then 3 double crochets, and go ahead and do that again 2 more times. 1 triple crochet, 3 double crochets, 2 more times, and I'll meet you back. So now you should have 4 sets of 1 triple crochet, 3 double crochets all the way around for a total of 16 stitches. And once you've gotten back to the beginning, go ahead and slip stitch into the top of your chain 4 from the beginning. So here's that top chain. You're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through again. And then at this point, go ahead and pull your magic ring tight. And that is round 1. For this granny square, I'm not changing colors, so we'll head into round 2. To start, we're going to chain 4, and that counts as your first triple crochet. And then we're going to place 2 double crochet into that same stitch. So if you look, you can see that we are connected all through here, and we're coming from this stitch. So go ahead and place 2 double crochet into that stitch. So now you should have your chain 4, which counts as your treble crochet, and 2 double crochets in that same stitch. So now we're going to place 1 double crochet into each stitch until we reach the next treble crochet, which is considered our corner. So for this round, there should be 3 double crochet in the middle. So we're going to look. Here's the first one, and this one is the one that tends to get missed. So make sure you don't skip that one. Go ahead and place a double crochet into that stitch. Then place a double crochet into the next stitch and into the next stitch. So now we are at our corner, which is where our treble crochet is. Also, I apologize ahead of time. Sometimes I switch out triple crochet and treble crochet, but those two words are exactly the same. So into this triple crochet here in the corner, we are going to place 2 double crochet into that stitch. Then we will place a triple crochet into the same stitch. And then we will place 2 more double crochet into that same stitch. So this corner space should have 2 double crochet, a triple crochet, and 2 more double crochet, all in the same stitch. So we're going to be repeating, placing double crochets in between the corners, and then in the corners placing 2 double crochet, a triple crochet, and 2 double crochet into the corner. I'll walk you through for this round though. So now we are going to place 1 double crochet into the stitches in between. So since there are 3 stitches below, we will place 3 double crochet. So place 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Place a double crochet into the next stitch. Then place another one into the next stitch. And we are at our next corner. And into this corner, we will place 2 double crochet. A triple crochet. And then 2 double crochet, all into that same corner space. And then again, we will place 1 double crochet into the next few stitches. So a double crochet into the next stitch, a double crochet into the next one, and then another one into this next one. We're at the next corner space. So place 2 double crochet into that corner space, place a triple crochet into that same space, and then place 2 more double crochet into that same space. We're now onto our final side. So we're going to place a double crochet into the next stitch, place a double crochet into the next stitch, and then another one into the next stitch. So now we have to finish off our corner space from the beginning. So that just has your chain 4, which counts as your first triple crochet, and then 2 double crochet into that same space. So we need to finish off. We're going to place 2 double crochet into the stitch that your chain 4 is coming out of. So go ahead and place 2 double crochet into that space. Once you've done that, go ahead and slip stitch to the top of your chain 4 from the beginning, and that is round 2. At this point, you should have a total of 32 stitches as well. So that is basically the pattern that you will follow to continue making your square any size that you need. I will go ahead and do one more round with you, but it will be the same thing continuing forward. You just are increasing a little bit every single time. So let's go ahead and I'll show you one more round. So to start, we're going to chain 4, and that counts as our first triple crochet. Into the same stitch that this is coming out of, we're going to place 2 double crochet. You can see where it's coming out of. I'm going to go and place 2 double crochet. And then we're going to place a double crochet on top of all the double crochets from the previous round. So make sure you don't miss that first one because that one gets left behind sometimes. Go ahead and place a double crochet into that stitch. Into the next one, place a double crochet into the next, double crochet into the next one, and the next one, and then the next one. So now we are at our triple crochet from the previous round. Since this is a corner space, we will place 2 double crochet, and then into the same stitch, place a triple crochet, and into the same stitch, place 2 double crochet. So your corner space should have 2 double crochet, a triple crochet, and 2 double crochet. And then we're going to go ahead and place double crochets into the stitches from the previous round. So go ahead, place one into the next stitch, and the next, and the next, all the way until you reach your next triple crochet. So now we're at our next triple crochet. Since this is a corner, we will place 2 double crochet, place a triple crochet into that corner, and then place 2 more double crochet into the same stitch. And then we'll go ahead and place 1 double crochet into each stitch until we reach the next triple crochet. We're now at the next triple crochet, which is our corner. So we'll place 2 double crochet, a triple crochet, and 2 more double crochet all into that corner. And then we will place 1 double crochet into each stitch until we get back to the beginning. So now I'm back at the beginning. We need to finish off our corner from the very beginning. So into that same stitch that our chain 4 is coming out of, we are going to place 2 double crochet. Once you've done that, go ahead and slip stitch to the top of your chain 4, and that's your next round. At this point, you will have 48 stitches. From here, you will just continue with chain 4, 2 double crochet, and then double crocheting into each stitch all the way until the next corner. Into the corner, place 2 double crochet, a treble crochet, and 2 more double crochet. And you'll just continue that all the way around, just as we've done, until you get the desired size that you would like. I will go ahead and leave right up here what you can follow for each round so that you can continue making your square as big as you want. Once you have reached the size that you would like, you can go ahead and just cut your yarn and then weave in your ends, and then you will be done. And that is how you make a completely solid granny square. They're super simple. They seem a little bit intimidating, but they are great. All you need to know are some basic stitches and you can make a solid granny square. I do find that these tend to scrunch up a little bit more, so I would suggest blocking them before you actually make your project, but they're super great. You can use them for bags or basically whatever you want. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and do that right now. And if you would like to be notified whenever I post a new tutorial, go ahead and hit that bell icon that's right next to the subscribe button. If you like this video, like it. If you disliked it, dislike it. And I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.